This is hello. We're online. I thought we'll do like a initial music. Hi everyone. So as you all know, my name is Adan Kazi, and I've been always wanted to do something like this. So I thought we'll do something amazing with my friends who are in industry. I will talk to them and maybe make your quarantine more fun. So today I chose to talk to Kiran Malik, and Kiran Malik is very kind enough to say she said yes to me, and now we're going to talk to her. But I actually am so baffled because I don't know how to get people online. So I'm just going to probably message her or hi everyone. Okay, so we're going to message Kiran Malik to come online and then we're going to talk to her. Kiran Malik, by the way, I've known Kiran Malik for such a long time. Kiran Malik is not only my dear friend, but she's also a very, very talented actress, as you have seen in Pinky Mame Saab. She is also lots and lots of fun to be around. We've worked together so many times all over the world. So it's always fun talking to her. She's also an entrepreneur. She has her own business called Styleberry, very successful. So yeah, I mean, I want her to come. She'll come online. Oh yeah, here she is. Going live with Kiran now. Let's see if she's gotten the. Okay, waiting for Kiran Malik. Guys, it's Kiran Malik official, so if you want to follow or whatever.
Hi, I'm trying to figure out the light.
Hi.
Hi, look, I got dressed for you.
Oh my
Let
God, you
me
look
figure
so
out the light.
nice.
Thank you. It feels good actually. Let me just sort out my light because it's just not looking right. This is this better?
Kiran, you look absolutely stunning in every light.
Okay, let me just sort it
So,
out. How have you been?
I was just telling everyone that Kiran Malik is not only a model and an actress, but she's also an entrepreneur, and she's
Yes.
a very, very talented one. And I like the
Oh,
shirt that you're wearing.
thank you. That's actually my Amazon store.
Kiran, I don't know. I think you're breaking up slightly. I don't know if
Okay,
everybody
wait.
can hear me properly.
Can you hear me now?
If you want to go near to the internet connection or whatever.
Well, it's Dubai, right? So you guys need to bear that the internet connections are not that great because we have to have the VPN and God knows what else. Better?
Chalo, koi nahi, we can wait. Everybody knows it's live, so you can have. Yeah, yeah.
Much
Okay.
better?
So yeah, it's better. It's breaking up slightly, but I'm sure it'll be fine in a bit.
All right,
एक
okay.
जगह पे बैठ जाओ.
I'm trying
Don't
to move.
move around.
I'm because if tell me now, huh? Because this was a point where I normally do my live calls, right? Where I was sitting before.
Okay,
So
perfect. So
I
just
don't know
just stay
why.
there. I'm sure the whole connection will be fine.
Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I first
Yeah.
of all want to welcome you in my live chat. I always wanted to sort of talk to you, and it's always great talking to you. So welcome.
Thank you.
Actually,
And
Kiran,
it's
I,
always a
I
pleasure.
I have told my audience that we've known each other for such a long time, and it's so much fun
Hmm.
always being around you.
Hmm.
We've worked together, etc. But I want to know, since we always talk personal, we've never sort of talked work as such. So I want to know about your journey, like where you started from, what you did. Was modeling your first thing you tried, or I want to know more.
Yeah, so when modeling started a bit late in a way that, I'm from Lahore originally, and
Okay.
I basically went to London to do my master's. Then got married. Been working there. I'm still a corporate person, so I was working in HR. And then one day, modeling was not even close to me. I've
Okay.
always been a 9 se 5 ki naukri wali ladki, with good money coming in. You're
Yeah,
happy with it.
I've always
And
believed
then,
that.
but I was always close to fashion, right? It's something which is very close to my heart. Like, I like to pick up a magazine and go through trends. I have no hang up of saying that I won't copy people. If I see something in a magazine, I would like to make it in my way, but I would copy it, right? So then, HR to modeling, Sheru saw me. I was doing an LRBT event, and he said, "Why don't you, tum ramp kyun nahi karti ho?" And I laughed. I was like, I'm helping you guys out because my company was helping them. So I was like,
Acha.
no, I'm here with my office work, right? And
Yeah.
then this happened, and then I walked for on the ramp, and that walk I would never forget in my life because the it's going on a ramp. I'm sure you know as well. You're such a known photographer
Yeah,
that
guys. Nerve-wracking.
it's a different kind of a feeling, right? There's so many
Ah,
people looking at, and you feel beautiful regardless of आपको ये लग रहा होता है कि सारी दुनिया आप ही को देख रही है.
I know, I know,
So
I know.
God has been kind. I've been very lucky with being a model, and then became an actress. Through some people being kind enough and thinking that I think I can act. So yeah,
You
this is how it
know,
started.
as you mentioned acting, my next question
Hmm.
was that
Hmm.
what inspired you to become an actor?
What inspired me to become, I think, a good script.
Yeah,
When of course when Sean approached me, I was in a shock. I was like, I don't
yeah,
have
I
any
remember that
experience
phone
in
call.
act. Yes,
Yeah,
so I don't. So I was like, oh, can I act? But I just told him as well that I can't make any decision unless I read the script. And it's not because I'm something. It's just because if I'm being part of something, I need to like the work, right?
right.
So, and for me, whatever comes in, if the script is the most important thing, I would never take
Obviously,
anything else other than a good script.
sure.
So I think that that made me do Zarar, and that made me do Pinky Meme Saab, and
And
that
I think
made
you've
me do
done a
another film.
fabulous job in Zarar and Pinky Meme Saab. Moving on,
Thank you.
talking about this, I didn't want to talk about coronavirus or quarantine. I think we already are doing that too much already.
You made me
So I
look
just want
like
to
this in a quarantine, right? And you know
imagine.
what?
I wanted
Thank
to
you
just
so
dress up and
much.
talk to my friends.
Exactly. Even though मैंने weight gain कर लिया, हाँ, my cheeks are a bit lumpy right
Listen,
now.
please don't say that in front of me. My cheeks are like, you know. Okay, so tell me, वैसे तुम घर पे क्वारंटीन के अलावा भी अपने स्पेयर टाइम में क्या करते हो? Like, do you like cooking? Do you like painting? क्या reading books? I mean, there's
So
something that you
yeah, I'm trying to keep myself fit. So I do every day. I do either it's like 10 minutes or 20 minutes of exercise. Either it's cardio, either it's legs or abs. I try to keep myself busy. I don't have weights at the home, so I'll pick up the bottles, एक वो जो 2-2 लीटर वाली bottles
हाँ
होती हैं.
मैंने देखा
I
है
make
यार
them as my
very
हाँ.
tasty.
So I guess कुछ भी यार, cooking. I'm keeping myself busy cooking.
You're a
I'm
great
using
cook.
a
I
lot of
love the fish
YouTube.
fillet that you make, by the way.
But you have to come again to try a few other things, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
So that is keeping me busy. And thanks to Wi-Fi, keeping in touch with
हाँ,
all friends and family.
thank God for Wi-Fi.
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
अच्छा
hmm.
मुझे ये बताओ मूवीज तो
Hi,
हो गई मूवीज
Daniel.
तो you've been
Hmm,
there done that अब मुझे
hmm,
बताओ would you like to do dramas कुछ मैं उस दिन बिलाल मकसूद का लाइव सेशन देख रहा था अनवर मकसूद के
hmm,
साथ
hmm,
and
hmm,
he was like the dramas nowadays are so cheesy they're like 8:30 p.m. मेरे पास तुम आओ and then 9 p.m.
hmm,
cheat stuff like that they're
hmm,
great
hmm,
people are loving it but
hmm,
is
hmm.
drama something you want to do you want to get on that bandwagon where everybody is like sort of
See, I'll tell you, I have changed my opinion in past 3 years, and I'll tell you why. Before, if you've asked this question 3 years back, I would say that no, I don't want to do a drama, right? But
अच्छा,
if you ask me now, I would say yes, I want to do a drama yet again with a good script, right? I wouldn't just
right,
pick up a drama. Just I've been asked since a year. पिछले साल से अब तक मुझे बहुत scripts आई हैं.
yeah,
एक के लिए, but it didn't work out. But I really was looking forward to that. But it has to be something which I can relate to, right?
right,
हमारी लड़कियां हमारे ड्रामे बहुत अच्छे हैं. आप देखिए, I live in Dubai, right? And I keep on seeing a lot of my friends are from other countries, right? And
yeah,
they
yeah,
all follow Pakistani dramas. And then
right,
again, it's मैं हर इंटरव्यू में यही बोलती हूँ अदनान कि it's masses, right? Masses को कंट्रोल करने के लिए you need to do a drama. अगर अभी भी तुम ये देखो तो मुझे आज ही कोई मेरे दोस्त कह रहे थे कि किरण you know, people, there's certain people who would know me, right? There are certain people who don't know me. And
yeah,
someone puts a picture of mine, they'll say, ये कौन है? So I
हाँ,
don't take it to my heart. Why? Because उन लोगों ने मुझे नहीं देखा क्योंकि हमारा अभी का जो सबसे बड़ा मीडियम है वो ड्रामा है, राइट?
ड्रामा
अगर
है,
अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट आएगी तो मैं जरूर करूंगी. बट अभी मुझे कुछ पसंद ही नहीं आ रहा. और मैं कोई ये नहीं कह रही कि मैं कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज हूँ. आई एम श्योर
you're
बहुत
very
अच्छी
hard
स्क्रिप्ट्स
to
हैं.
please, we all know that.
या सो लेट्स सी.
अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ कि और जितने भी एक्ट्रेसेस हैं, सबा कमर है, माहिरा है, इनके साथ तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारा कोई कंपटीशन है इनको देखती है और तुम्हें लगता है कि आई वांट टू डू दिस, आई वांट टू डू दैट, या फिर और एक्ट्रेसेस को या मॉडल्स को देख के तुम्हें लगता है कि अच्छा मुझे भी ये करना चाहिए टाइप?
देखो, मायरा के लिए मैं ये कहूंगी कि मायरा से बड़ा सुपरस्टार नहीं है हमारे पास. ठीक है, मायरा नोज,
तो
मायरा इज प्लेइंग हर कार्ड सो वेल. She's a
yeah,
well-spoken girl. She is a great personality, right? If she represents Pakistan the best.
she
और
does.
मुझे इसमें कोई शर्म नहीं है कहने. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, she does.
So there are certain things which I like about everyone. जैसे मैंने अभी कहा कि मुझे शायद बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ड्रामा भी कर रहे हैं और मुझे शायद वो स्क्रिप्ट पसंद नहीं है. मैं अभी I don't want to quote the dramas right now, but I haven't watched those dramas, and the whole world have seen it, right?
Yeah,
But I don't want to watch it, but I might just say कि उनकी एक्टिंग उसमें अच्छी थी, स्क्रिप्ट नहीं
yeah.
ठीक थी तो एक्टिंग अच्छी थी. सबा कमर से बड़ी एक्ट्रेस हमारे पास कोई नहीं है पाकिस्तान में. शी इज शबाना आजमी,
love
और
Sabha.
लाइक
I love Sabha.
शी इज रॉ, राइट?
Okay.
शी इज जस्ट unbelievable. So I guess all of us should appreciate each another rather than एक
Yeah.
दूसरे में खामियां.
No,
समझ
but
आ
थोड़ा
गई?
सा सेंस ऑफ कंपटीशन, हेल्दी कंपटीशन भी होता है
बिल्कुल.
कि
देखो, healthy
you want to
competition is nice, right? Something
yeah,
which is not, which you don't harm each other, right? But the
हाँ,
point is, आप
because
मुझे
no one
ये
is
बताओ,
asking.
कोई अप्रिशिएट नहीं करता ना. नो
No.
वन डज इट. हम भी बैठे हों तो वी, I don't know, we won't take that time out, but I think we should all take time out for each other. After
Yeah.
this quarantine, I guess we all will be good
Quarantine
human
done
beings.
great to people. Let's see what people
Yeah.
are saying here. So, hello everyone. I'm sorry I was introducing Kiran. Hello, hello, hello. Sana
Hi,
Khan,
Dana.
thank you. There's
Okay.
so many people online.
कम
Thank you for
नहीं.
tuning in.
आप चिल्ला के क्यों बात? अच्छा, मैं चिल्ला रही हूँ. आई एम सॉरी बिकॉज दे आर सेइंग मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही. ओके,
तो
मैं
नहीं, वो
आहिस्ता
दुबई
बोलती
में बैठी हैं, आप अगर चिल्लाएंगी नहीं तो आपको आवाज कैसे
हूँ. ओके,
पहुंचेगी?
ठीक है, नहीं चिल्लाती. अब मैं आहिस्ता बोलती हूँ. अगर आपको आवाज ना आई तो फिर
नहीं नहीं, आप प्लीज वैसे बोलें जैसे आपको पसंद है. अच्छा, moving on.
ओके.
A very important question that sort of everybody, even from outside our industry, माँ बाप को भी ये फिक्र होती है. It's a taboo question, but do you believe that casting couch lies in the industry, or do you think it's all a facade and people's just making it up?
आई थिंक पीपल आर जस्ट मेकिंग इट अप, आई गेस.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है क्योंकि मुझे जब इस तरह की
नहीं.
बातें सुनने को मिलती हैं तो मैं कहता हूँ
हाँ.
यार, you don't have to be in a casting couch to do something successful. आजकल तो इतने सारा mediums हैं काम.
Exactly. So I don't think so. I don't know. I might be wrong, but I don't think so.
Yeah. Acha. So, moving on, I want to
हाँ.
ask you some fun questions.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to figure out my light. Okay.
So, This little segment that I have is called High Speed Ready. So it's basically a
Oh.
simpler version of rapid fire
Hmm.
round. Okay.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
high speed ready is basically what it says. You have to be ready and you have to answer high speed. Okay.
Okay. Oh
Right.
God, Adnan. Adnan, be nice to me.
I am being
Yes,
super
Hamza.
nice. The
How are
most nice.
you?
Hi Hamza. Okay.
Okay, Adnan, be
So
nice to me, okay, with these questions because I know you can be nasty when it comes to these rapid fires and you want to know it, right?
no, I'll be super nice. Okay. So but you have to answer fast, huh? ऐसा नहीं कि सोचने लग जाओ.
Adnan. Okay, I'll try. I'll try. Otherwise,
Okay.
I'll skip.
No, you can't
See,
skip,
people
Kiran.
are saying be kind.
You
Thank you.
can't
Thank you
skip.
so much. Huh.
Okay. So
Hi, Tim.
starting with, who is your celebrity crush?
My celebrity crush would be Johnny Depp. I like him.
So no,
Or
let's
Bradley
stick to the
Cooper.
Pakistan
Or Bradley
industry.
Cooper. अच्छा अब देसी? अच्छा
हाँ,
चलो जी
देसी को
देसी.
stick
Uh,
करो ना.
Bilal Ashraf, I guess, but he's a very dear friend of mine.
Yeah, Bilal is very handsome and a dear friend. Bilal
Yeah,
is
but he's
a
one
good
of my
guy.
very good friends, so he should be happy. But he can't be my
अच्छा
crush,
और
but he's a good
जवाब
looking
देके
chap, so I'll
explain
say.
मत करने लगना ना
अच्छा
कि
चलो
जवाब
चलो
देके
चलो
नहीं
ठीक
किया.
है. देखा मुझे पता था you'll be nasty to me. Okay, मैंने बाजू भी ऊपर कर
Okay.
ली.
Okay. So if you want to change your, अगर तुम्हारा नाम किरण मलिक ना होता तो क्या होता?
किरण ही होता. मैं
नहीं
अपना
अगर
नाम
किरण
कभी ना
मलिक ना
चेंज करूं.
होता.
क्यों ना होता भाई? हमेशा से किरण मलिक होता.
Okay, okay, fine. I'll give you that. Okay. Fashion or film? You can't say both.
Fashion.
Okay,
Regarding
good.
me being in fashion, what
So
context are you
for
talking
you,
about?
like fashion or film?
Fashion.
Good. That's a good
I
answer.
enjoyed fashion.
I would say fashion.
Yeah,
Film I love, but
yeah,
fashion, is
yeah.
something that
Fashion is something very close to me.
Acha, single line from your favorite song.
Hi Allah. Um, Single line for
Come
my
on, you
favorite
can do
song.
it.
सुनो मैं आजकल वो सुन रही हूँ. मलंग.
Okay, sing it
मैं
then.
मलंग मलंग मलंग. My voice is
Good,
really
very good,
bad.
very good. Okay,
It's a
so
good song.
I'll ask these questions in Urdu because
Thank you.
a lot of my audience are in Urdu.
हाँ हाँ जरूर जरूर.
So if you're in a boat, sorry, उर्दू में पूछना.
उर्दू
अगर
बोल. हाँ उर्दू में
किश्ती
पूछ.
में हो, ठीक है,
हाँ
किश्ती में
हाँ.
बैठे हो और तुम्हें एक बंदे को किश्ती से फेंकना है, एक को कहना है
अच्छा.
कि कश्ती
ओहो.
चला और एक के साथ बैठ के जाना है, ठीक है.
अच्छा.
तो तुम किसके साथ क्या करोगी? Who would you choose? Okay, and your
Okay.
options are Shan Shahid, Fawad Khan, and Ali Zafar.
अच्छा. शान शाहिद अली जफर एंड यार ये तुम ना ये अब गलत गलत बातें जो कर रहे हो ना मेरे साथ.
Interesting.
यार इंटरेस्टिंग तीनों यार मेरे कोर्स मेरे
एक्सप्लेन मत
कॉलीग हैं.
करो, हमें एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं चाहिए.
अच्छा तो एक को मैंने फेंकना है, एक को
हाँ,
मैंने
एक को कश्ती
सेव
से
करना है और
फेंकना है
एक ने
तुमने,
चलाना
एक
है.
को कहना है चलो
ठीक
कश्ती
है.
चलाओ और एक के साथ बैठ के जो है तुमने जाना है.
अच्छा तो मैं अच्छा तो मैं अली जफर को गिरा दूंगी. ठीक है.
हाँ,
शान को
अच्छा.
कहूंगी शान को कहूंगी चलाए बोट और फवाद को कहूंगी मुझे कंपनी दे गप्पे मारे मेरे साथ.
अच्छा, तुम शाहजहां को कहोगी बोल चलाते हैं वो.
और वैसे मैं तीनों को कहूंगी कि मेरे साथ बैठे और हम कहेंगे किसी और को चलाने के लिए. बट अब ये तुमने
किरण
मुझे
अगर
इस
इस कश्ती
मुश्किल
में
मलबे
मैं
में डाल
होता ना
दिया.
तो इस कश्ती से मैं छलांग मार देता.
या
ओके, यू आर गेटिंग मैरिड, तुम्हारी शादी है और तुम एक डिजाइनर
हाँ.
पहन, ठीक है, और तुम्हारे पास डिजाइनर चॉइसेस हैं HSY, फराज मनान
गॉड.
या ईशान.
फराज मनान.
क्यों, व्हाई वुड यू चूज फराज मनान?
Faraz and see, these all three people are very close to me. Sheru is someone who got me into
इसलिए I made
fashion.
up this
Ali
question
Zishan is
like
one of
that.
my friends. But Faraz, Faraz's clothes are couture, and I'm very
Yeah,
much,
he's
if
super.
it's my bridal, right? It has to be super couture, so that my इसलिए मैं फराज को पहनूंगी और कहूंगी कि पैसे कम कर दें.
हाँ प्लीज हमसे करोड़ों मत ले. Okay.
हाँ हमसे करोड़।
So you have to rate these actresses from best to worst. Okay.
Okay.
Humaima Malik, Saba Kamar, and Mahira Khan.
From
Acting.
a verse to or
No, best to
okay.
worst. So best to
Okay. So
worst.
Sabaa Kamar, Humaima, and then Mahira.
Okay, great. So
Yeah.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है who is a better actor? शान शाहिद, फैसल कुरैशी या शाजिया अली खान?
कौन सी खान?
शाजिया अली खान.
Actor wise, acting.
No. Who's the best director?
Director. See now again, all my three people are there. They're all three different kind of people
Yeah,
to
so you
work with.
work with all three of them. So I thought I'll ask you this question because you know.
I think because I started with Shan and I had zero background of how lights work and stuff. So
Yeah.
मैंने उससे बहुत सीखा. So I guess I'll say take Shan का नाम. Shan और फैसल में मैं अभी confused हूँ. But I would take
Right.
Shan, I guess. I'm going to be
Okay,
honest.
great. अच्छा, अब इन मॉडल्स
Hi
को जो मैं
Sharmi.
तुम्हें मॉडल ऑप्शंस दूंगा, उनको तुमने एक को तुमने ओपनिंग देनी है और एक को क्लोजिंग देनी है और बाकी सब जो है बस.
I like that.
Okay, so give these models opening and closing. Sadaf Kaval, Noor Bhatti, Mush Kaleem, Amna Babar, and Mehreen Syed.
यार ये तुमने तो इसके बाद जो मुझे कॉलें आनी है ना. अच्छा.
नहीं आती कॉल.
अच्छा, so one has to open and one has to close.
Yeah,
It's Mehreen
और
Syed in
बाकी
it.
जो भी मतलब
Mushk, Mehreen, Noore, Amna Babar.
Sadaf, Noor, Mushk, Amna Babar, and Mehreen.
Mehreen has to close the show,
अच्छा,
right?
okay.
I would put Mehreen Syed because she
Okay,
is
okay.
queen of the ramp, regardless. And open would be won't be Sadaf. Sadaf is a great editorial model, not a ramp model. I would say Noore. अभी मेरी दोस्तें हैं यार सारी. Amna Babar, I like her more on the editorial side. I would say new girl, Mushk.
Mushk, I love Mushk.
I like
Mushk
her.
knows this. I
She's
love
tall.
her. Tall,
After a
amazing,
long
walks
time,
amazing.
exactly. Noore has an amazing walk,
Huh.
amazing walk. But Sadaf and Amna Babar, I love them as I think they are the editorial
you don't
goddess.
have to love everybody to justify your question.
ये
Okay?
मेरी सब दोस्तें हैं
हाँ.
जिनके नाम ले रहे हो तुम. Mushk is like not my friend, but my
हाँ,
acquaintance, a
लेकिन
very
मुझे
dear
पता है
girl.
तो मैंने
But
सवाल बनाया ना. मुझे पता था.
तुम तो ये मेरा
अच्छा,
हाल है
मुझे ये
सबसे
बताओ.
मेरा difficult live session है.
मुझे
Yes,
ये
it
बताओ
is.
कि what
Danyal.
is the first thing you
Hi
would do?
Zara, how are you? Okay.
Hi, Kiran. After
Yeah.
watching Pinky Mame Saab, I started to like you.
Thank you,
Neez
Neil.
Khan or
Thank you.
Neez Khan.
Thank you so
There's so
much.
many people
Thank
writing.
you.
Thank
Much
you guys for
appreciated.
tuning in. I didn't know that there'd be so many people writing to us, but that's very sweet. Thank you.
Zaru, we miss you.
So,
Oh.
what's the first thing you'll do after you get out of? So, अगर तुम्हें पता लगा कि भाई कल क्वारंटाइन खत्म हो रहा है, तुम क्या
मैं
करोगे?
सबसे पहले जाके अपने कजन हमजा को मिलूंगी और सख्त सी टाइट सी चुप्पी मारूंगी.
Oh, that's very sweet.
Yeah.
That's very sweet.
And I'm gonna go and just go outside and just feel like a normal person. Yeah, I just don't want to be normal.
I know this whole thing feels
It's just हाँ मुश्किल हो गया
like a
सबके लिए.
shock. और तुम तो अंदर
Yeah.
कभी घर पे नहीं बैठ सकती तो तुम्हारे लिए तो
वालेकुम सलाम. हाँ मेरे लिए क्वारंटीन काफी ज्यादा हो गया.
Okay, but Kiran, thank you so much. It was great talking to you. Thank you for coming in
Likewise.
and filling me up. I didn't want it to make it a long session because boring हो जाता है. So I wanted to have
हाँ
like a
बिल्कुल
small
सही.
little chat with you. And
Thank you so much,
for
Adnan.
everyone else, I just wanna end this with you advising these new little girls who want to become a model or an actress, what you think they should do.
So I guess if they first of all they need to have एक क्लियर विजन होना चाहिए. मैं उर्दू में बोलूंगी ताकि हम सब सुन सके. एक क्लियर विजन रखो, एक क्लियर आइडिया रखो कि क्या चाहते हो. अगर मॉडल बनना है तो अपने दिमाग से सब कुछ निकाल के आए और यू हैव टू बी वेरी ओपन इन अ वे कि मतलब आपको मॉडलिंग बहुत सख्त काम है, आपको भी पता है. तो अपने आप को सख्त मॉडलिंग आप जो देखते हैं वो होता नहीं है. बहुत 3 बजे सुबह उठा के भी शूट होते हैं, फिर मैडम नहीं रह सकते. फिल्मों में भी अगर आना है तो आपको सबको हथियार डाल के आए कि आपसे बहुत कुछ कराएंगे, आपसे आपसे 18-18 घंटे भी काम कराएंगे, आप 100 मर्दों में अकेली औरत भी खड़े होकर काम करेंगी, आप अपने ईगो को भी साइड पे रख के काम करेंगी. When you think like that, you will be there somewhere, right? और कोई भी काम हो, मॉडलिंग हो, एक्टिंग हो, whatever, just feel proud of what you are, right? And
Yeah.
just do it. When I started doing acting or modeling, I had a lot of issues from my home. मेरे घर वालों को लगता था, but I said no, there's like for me it's going to, जैसे मैं दफ्तर जा रही हूँ, तो जो भी काम है उसको उसमें अपने लिए इज्जत समझें और कहीं ना कहीं आप लोग पहुंच जाएंगे. But girls, you
Okay.
have to work hard. Nothing will come in your plate. आपको
That's
काम
very
करना
important.
है, और अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है तो आपको दिन रात भूल जाना चाहिए और सिर्फ कंसंट्रेट करें काम पे. And take your
Hi,
work
Taimur
seriously.
Chaudhary saying hi. Everybody
Hi,
saying
Taimur.
hi. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. Kiran, it was lovely, lovely talking to you as always. And I'll probably end
Likewise.
this session and give you a sweet little call. And
Yeah.
I can't wait to actually hang out with you because, you know, we haven't done that in such a long time.
I know, I know. It's been a while. It's been a while. So inshallah, if things go fine very soon, we'll see each other very soon, inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay. You take
Inshallah.
care of
Okay,
yourself
thank you
and
guys. Thank you
we
so
will see
much.
you very,
Allah
very soon.
Hafiz. Be safe
Bye bye.
and stay home. Okay.
Yeah. Stay
Bye.
home. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Right, guys. So this was Kiran Malik. We had a lovely chat, and hopefully we'll be. This is my cousin Kiran Ghazi saying hi, hi. Them saying good show, well done. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. But now I'll come again day after tomorrow with another guest, and we'll chat and have lots of fun. And